Here are 5 strong reasons for me to choose TVK over other parties. Reason number 1. This party is not part of the old corrupt network. TVK is a new party. Vijay doesn't carry 50 plus years of baggage, scams or backroom deals with ADMK, DMK or Delhi government. When both major Dravidian parties are accused of protecting each other, cutting deals with the center, the only way to break that loop is to bring in someone outside that system. Reason number 2. Clean personal image versus career politics for 30 years. Vijay has been in the public life. No corruption case, no land grabbing allegations, no liquor scam, or no family politics. He is entering politics after building his career independently. That's rare in Tamil Nadu, where most leaders come from political dynasties or use power to build wealth. People trust what they have seen for decades. Now Vijay has helped lakhs of people at the time of disaster, during floods, during Corona, and even educational assistance for millions of people. Okay, reason number 3. He speaks directly on issues others avoid. Now, Vijay has publicly called out corruption, meat, liquor, and drug issues that directly hit the common people. He's naming the problems you listed: women's safety, youth on drugs, taxes without accountability. That clarity forces other parties to answer. Reason number 4. No caste or religion vote bank. ADMK BJP alliance leans on caste or religion lines. DMK counters with its own social blocks. TVK is positioning as a neutral, Tamil identity first platform without leaning on Devar, Gounder, Dalit or minority vote banks. For voters tired of divide and rule, that's a fresh pitch. He has nothing to lose, so he can take risks. Career politicians protect their MLAs, MPs, ministers and future alliances. Vijay gave up 100 to 200 crore per film career to enter this politics. He doesn't need politics for money or fame. That means he can take hard calls, ban liquor, jail big names. He can refuse center pressure without worrying about losing contracts or coalitions. Now, these are the major reasons for most of the Tamil people to choose Vijay over others. And that's the same reason I have come all the way from Bangalore to vote this time. Yes, I'm voting for TVK, the Vijay's party.